Good afternoon, all of you. So I am recording this video at 11:47 p.m. on 2nd of May 2025, and like 4-5 hours back, so roughly around 6:30 p.m. So Indian Standard Time, a massive 7.4 Richter scale earthquake has struck Argentinian coast. So tsunami alert has been issued. So this video will be mostly in English. So let's start. So the Argentina's coast, uh, earthquake has struck, and like tsunami alert has been issued. So a powerful earthquake, with magnitude of 7.4 has struck off the coast of southern Argentina on Friday, May 2nd, triggering a tsunami alert. So first of all, you know that Argentina is a country in South America, and uh, Argentina, the capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires means pure air. So Argentina, Argentina is a country in South America. So, and you know, it's a football playing nation. So according to United States Geological Survey, so there is a survey. So there is a like survey, a body which does a survey. So United States Geological Survey, you can like the short form of the mm, of uh, the short form is USGS. So the quake occurred just before 9 a.m. 9 a.m. means it is 9 a.m. 9 a.m. is at Argentina. So in Argentina. So according to Indian Standard Time, it would be 6:30 p.m. So near Drake Passage. So like this thing is important. So Drake Passage is near Argentina. Okay. So it is about 219 kilometers south of Ush Ushuaia in Argentina. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So like, so you know that Argentina is a country like in South America, and the official language of the country is Spanish. So that is important information which you need to know. And the legislature, so legislature is, so they are mostly run by National Congress. So, and if you talk about the currency of the country, so it is peso, PESO. So ARS in short form you can say. So ARS means Argentinian peso. So it is the currency. And the government is Federal Presidential Republic. I hope you understand. So federal, like federal means center has power, no, and state has also power, but in federalism, center has more power. So that is a little bit about Argentina. So shortly, like shortly after the earthquake, authorities issued a tsunami warning. So like how earthquake is related to tsunami. So what is tsunami? So tsunami is caused by submarine eruptions, no? So when tectonic plates of the ocean bed start moving, so they cause enormous eruptions. So they are tsunami eruptions. So they are caused by submarine eruptions, earthquakes, or volcanic activity. Okay. So the three main important causes why tsunami occurs. So first is submarine eruption takes place, or it may be a result of earthquake or a volcanic activity. Volcano means when the magma or the lava in the core, crust or mantle, they come out of the surface, no? So that could be a cause of tsunami. So this was little information which I wanted to share. So shortly after the earthquake, authorities, So like the nearby bodies, they issued a tsunami warning for coastal regions. So because the intensity of the earthquake was 7.4, no, so definitely tsunami warning, there might be a possibility that tsunami might come. So people may start evacuating to save their lives for coastal regions within 300 kilometers. So imagine the rush that it might have created of the epicenter. Okay, so no, focus and epicenter. So these are the places, the point where the earthquake originates. So the earthquake is spread in many like if a earthquake gets spread in a local area, so the starting point, that is epicenter. So including southern Argentina and Chile. So Argentina, Chile, and one more information which I wanted to share. So Argentina, Bolivia, and Chile, they are called the lithium triangle. ABC countries. Always remember lithium triangle. And lithium triangle means lithium ion batteries are produced. So they have huge reservoirs of lithium. So that is an important thing which you should notice. So the next thing is the US tsunami warning system. So US has a body, US tsunami warning system. They cautioned, like made aware that hazardous waves were possible and urged residents in vulnerable areas to move inland or seek higher ground immediately. So it is important news, like so the US tsunami warning system, so they cautioned that hazardous waves were possible and urged residents, the people living nearby in vulnerable areas, to move inland and seek higher ground immediately. So first of after that, the estimated time of arrival of the first wave in Puerto Williams, so it is a place in Chile. Okay, so Puerto is a Spanish word, no? It comes from port. Okay, a port is a place where ships come, they are repaired, they are rested, and they are departed. Okay, so that is a port. So no. So the estimated time of the arrival for the first wave of Puerto Williams was listed at 8:55 UTC. Okay, so timing is not important. So it was issued at an earlier date. The officials warned that first wave might not be the largest, urging continued vigilance. Vigilance means continuous surveillance is needed, no, like if you can find the epicenter, no, because tsunami is like very very dangerous, and you have to be aware, because in an hour, in 1 hour, in half an hour, it can take away thousands of lives. So what is tsunami? First of all, uh, tell me. So tsunami is, so as I told you, tsunami, there are generally three causes of tsunami. So it generally causes submarine eruptions. So like water bodies will get erupted, and it may be caused due to earthquakes and volcanic activity also. And the speed is 500 miles per hour. So 500 miles per hour, if water starts moving at 500 miles per hour, so 500 miles is like huge. 500 miles, can you imagine? Like the bowling speed of a fast bowler is 100 miles per hour. So like Brett Lee, a pace bowler from Australia, so he used to bowl at 100 miles per hour. So imagine 500 miles per hour. So in 1 hour, a tsunami has the capacity to travel around 500 miles. And the height of tsunami might be, an average looking tsunami might have a height of 100 feet. So we all are like 5 feet, 6 feet tall, no? So imagine 20 times higher water will take you. So it can destroy you in seconds, no? So why not get aware? And why not take action, immediate plans, okay, for evacuation, so that life could be saved? So now another thing which I wanted to tell you, so you can see that Puerto Williams, always remember, Puerto Williams is, it is like a city. Okay, it is also a port and a naval base in Chile. Okay, Can you tell me capital of Chile? The capital of Chile is, I hope you might have heard it, Santiago, no? So now, last but not the least, so videos are circulating, okay, online, and it showed that tsunami sirens blaring in Porto Williams and residents evacuating to safer areas. So I hope that was what I wanted to tell you. So it was in news, so I thought, why not share with you. So this video was entirely brought in English. So I hope like you really like the this one. And um, always remember, from exams perspective, so if you're preparing for any exams, always remember, you can write for example, if you're preparing for mains exam, so always remember, you can quote USGS, United States Geological Survey. So another thing that uh, you can quote is US tsunami warning system, okay. And as I told you, like, official language of Argentina is Spanish, always remember. So this, from exams perspective, what is important. And the legislature is National Congress, and the currency is peso. Always remember, the currency of Argentina is peso, and the government is Federal Presidential Republic. So federal means center has got the power. Republic means they also have a constitution. Always remember, the meaning of republic is constitution. India is also a republic, no? That means we have a written constitution. So republic means constitution, and constitution means republic. And so, like, where it took place, always remember, Argentina and Chile border. So that was all which I wanted to share. Thank you.